Alrighty, guys. Yes, beautiful day in the neighborhood. Okay, y'all know me. I'm in the ATL area. Let me grab some of this temperature because if I had to guess, I would say maybe 62 and 3/4 the temperature. Yeah, no need for a coat, no need for uh nothing. It's just this the perfect temperature. Okay, now guys, I've been given the ultimatum. Okay, y'all see this? It's my Cherokee. I bought this thing brand new in 2017, and it used to look brand new. However, we was at a restaurant or something. Somebody hit it. Now it came clean. The insurance company paid me, gave me a check and everything. But you know how some people do. You know how bros do. We took the check and put it in our pocket. We did not use the funds to actually get this fixed. So I've been given the ultimatum. Fix this or simply get her a new car. Guess what? I'm about to get this fixed. I ain't interested in buying no new car, okay? And this is not a bad car. This is, like I said, 2017. We bought brand new. So this is the last brand new I bought. I paid cash for it. I bought it outright. It was no financing or none of that. All right. In fact, my job, I bought it from the dealer I work at. And my job was still mad at me because they didn't get to, you know how when you go in a new car dealer and buy a car, you got to go to about 3 or 4 different offices. All right. The finance department, you got to go to the link, all these 3 different offices. In other words, each one of those offices get a cut of your funds. Okay, so I went to the salesman that I handpicked, and told him, look, give me the price of this damn car from the dollar to the cent. Well, I pay y'all and the car belongs to me. And he told me, I think it was almost $17,000 or something. So I went to the bank, got a cashier's check. Here, give me the keys, send me my paperwork, my title, and that's it. So the manager or the owner of the company, they wasn't too thrilled about that. All right. Yes, they got a sale out of it, but they dealers are more interested in you know, the afterburn, the things that comes along with the sales. Okay, if the sales manager or the finance manager can't profit from financing you the car, then she don't make any money. It's a long story, but anyway, yeah, they wasn't too happy about that. I just paid, and I was trying to get the bird dog, you know, but I couldn't do it because I was the buyer. So I got my girl to buy it. Long story short is I'm gonna have to go through that process all over again. But let me tell you, I can get around it. Y'all know me. I am JT, the car guy, right? So here's the deal. I was thinking maybe I work on cars under the hood. All right, I'm not a body guy, and what I'm trying to say, I'm not a body guy. But guys, this fender, get it colored, get it the same color code. This can't be hard to replace. In fact, even you don't have to be a body guy to do body work this day and age because everything is replaceable and plastic and garbage. Look, a screw here, a couple of screws down there, and this whole fender come off. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to fix that. That's a dent. Just give me another fender. This has to be one piece right here. Yeah, surely I can put that on. Now, as far as this, look, it's only a little. Or even if you can't use this, just give me a bumper. All right, the check that they gave me, I wasn't gonna take this car to a body shop and that body shop collect the whole check just because they know what the check was. No. I'm a mechanic. Surely I can figure this out, right? I can build this engine and this transmission. Why the hell can I put a fender on and a freaking bumper cover on? I take bumpers off to do evap coils or condensers and radiators. And I don't even think I'm making dodge a bullet. This is not going in because this is bent. So if I take this fender off and I can buff this out, I might not even need a bumper. What y'all think? No, this got a crease right here, but I can live with that and then get the panel. I'll show you how the panel look on this side. Yeah, get one of these. This car look back new again. That's the only flaw with this car. Bought it brand new. Little 2.4. I had no problems out of this. Well, the oil burning, but I got the flash up. They done and it stopped burning oil magically. Yeah, and I still got to do the the leaking the cooler, but yeah, and all I've done is brakes. But Yeah, I'm gonna become JT the body guy here soon. Let me get the VIN off this thing so I can get the color code. Give me a fender. I'm gonna start with a fender. If I can't get this to look more professional, then I'll do a bumper. But for now, just give me a freaking fender. I don't need no bot. Man, y'all about to piss me. Whoa. Alright, my mind is made up. That's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, JT the body guy. Coming right up to the theater near you. It's gonna be looking back brand new, and I'm gonna wash it up, clean it up, get it detailed. Then I ain't gotta buy her another car. Guys, I gotta go. I'm late for work. Y'all stay tuned.